How to create a tour. Let's walk through the process of creating a tour. First, navigate to your destination, select Tours, and click on Create New Tour. Begin by entering the name and type of the tour. Bear in mind that if you choose to create an outdoor tour for walking, driving, or other possible types, you cannot modify it later to indoor type and vice versa. Once you're ready, click Create to proceed to the tour's edit page. The first part is the same for all of the types. In the tour overview, fill in the necessary details. You can change the name, subtitle, introduction, and source. The source information is already familiar to us from creating the place. After entering this information, save your progress. At this point, we have completed half of the overview, so let's move on to the media section. Here, you have the auto-generated audio, and same as with places, you can replace the auto-generated audio with your own if you prefer. The system auto-generates text-to-speech from the tour's name, subtitle, and introduction. Now let's add a cover photo of the tour. Use a landscape photo depicting the essence of the tour. Same as with place photos, the best would be a ratio of 4:3 and a minimum quality of 1280 to 720 pixels. Avoid using photos with watermarks, logos, or collage. This time, using black and white photos is allowed if it is reasonable and resonates with the theme of the tour. Remember to set the author if needed. During the initial tour setup, we selected a walking tour and estimated the duration to be around 90 minutes. The tour's length will be auto-generated when we finalize the route. For now, let's consider this step complete and proceed to adding places to the tour. The way of adding places to a tour slightly differs for outdoor and indoor types.